Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do this one and done quick fix. Here's the problem. We have a 12-2 wire going to this receptacle, which is a 15 amp receptacle, going to a daisy chain. That daisy chain is 14-2, which is a thinner cable. That's the white one you're seeing coming out of here. Now at the box, we have this 20 amp right there breaker. That 20 amp breaker hooked up to a 12-2 cable. That is perfect. They brought that down here. Where they messed up is they took the 12-2 into this 15 amp receptacle. That's a problem too. They came out with a 14-2, which is only capable of 15 amps. 12-2 to 20 amps, 14-2 to 15 amps. This is daisy chained to other circuits. Here's the issue. If those circuits get more than 15 amps, they're going to keep going because that breaker is looking for more than 20 before it goes. Here's the quick fix. We can keep this, and these cables may be going through the wall, which they are, and yanking them back out is going to be a big deal. Quick fix, if you can do it, if the circuit will take it, you leave this alone, you leave these wires alone, you come to the box, you change this 20 amp out to a 15 amp breaker. Now you just have a thicker wire coming on this 12-2. That's not necessary, but you have a 15 amp breaker. So the breaker will go. The 12-2 is a little over cabled, but so what? That way the rest of the circuit, you have a 15 amp breaker, you got 15 amp tolerance on the 14-2 cable. The rest of the circuits are going to be 15 amps on a 14-2, no problem. You'll just have a little bit over cabling when it comes to this 12-2, but the quick fix is swap the breaker out. It'll prevent you from having to change this to a 20 amp, change all these 14-2s out to 12-2s, and then that way you can keep everything and be like you're supposed to be. Quick fix, one and done.